no test, ain't no test. Who gon' get jealous when yo
Yeah, man, the gang, we outside today, man. We headed to Hellcat Gotti's meet. Yeah, man, we got the car, man. You know what I'm saying? Everything is all good. Make sure y'all go and check the video out that I dropped. Woo, come on, man. Y'all see my boy, he done upgraded. My boy Ghosty VA, he done upgraded that thing, man. Come on, man, that thing crazy. Make sure y'all go subscribe to his channel, man. Hey, we got a newcomer. Got my boy, man, that boy done clicked up with us today, man. Y'all know my boy Sucker Free RT, man. Yeah, make sure y'all go subscribe, man. Shout it out one time, bro.
Sucker Free RT, man. But it's not RT. It's RT, but it's not RT. Check out my channel, subscribe, like, comment, subscribe, all that.
Come on, man, all that. We going up, man. All 2020, man.
And that stripe, it like changed color.
Hey, bro.
I see it.
Hey, you kind of, hey, you kind of drippy today, man. Hey, little sauce. Little sauce. He dripping.
You lying, bro.
Uh-oh. Hey.
Let's say hosty.
Oh, man. Hey, it's on the camera. Hey, go down line up, man. Y'all see my boy Scat Pack Geo right here, man. Yeah, man. Come on now. Oh, man. Hey, man. Y'all see Big Pill car right here, man. Come on, SRT, man. Wide body. Scat Pack, man. Come on now. Hey, hold on, man. Hey, come here, brother.
What's good, bro?
Hey, man, when? Come on, man. The people want to know, man. When is the video dropping, man?
It's coming soon, man. You just gotta make sure everything's in line, man. I'm trying to make sure it's perfect, so it's coming soon.
So where can they find you?
In the meantime, man, follow me on Instagram _Helio and @WildBodyLife392, man.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Little bro? You want to shout out, little bro? That's little bro. Little bro said it ain't never coming. Oh, man. Hey, this Sucker Free RT car right here, man. Come on now. RT in the grill, but hey, he got a Scat Pack. Don't get it twisted now. Come on, man. Hey, this how we coming, man. I see you, homie. I see you. He kind of copyright me, though. I see you, though. Come on, man. Sucker Free RT, man. Let's see y'all go subscribe, man. Subscribe right now, man. Sucker Free RT, man. Give him a follow, man. Trying to get him up to 500 subscribers, you guys. He got some very good content. But yeah, man. So we finna head out here to the meet, man. Whole lot of Mopar content finna go on today, man. Let's go. Hey, you guys. So before we continue the video, man, let me introduce y'all to my guys, Phazon Moving Company, out of Fort Worth, Texas. Owner name is Ryan Burks. Man, go over there and hit those guys up, man. If you in the DFW area and you need anything moved, man, these guys specialize in residential moves. They specialize in business moves. Hey, man, just hit them up for all your moving needs, you guys. Go over here, man. Their website is phazonmovingcompany.com. I will have their information linked down in the description. Come over here, man. Browse their website. Check them out. As you see, excellent moving and loading services, you guys. So come over here, man. Show their page some love. You know, if you need anything moved, come check them out. Check out their prices right here. Come check out their service policies. And as an added bonus, mention my name, Scatyblk, and they're going to give you 5% off your entire moving order, you guys. Can't beat that, man. So come over here right now. Check them out. Contact them. Their hours of operation are by appointment only. So you can send them an email, as you see right here, or you can call them on the phone, as you see their phone number right here. Also, if you just want to hit them up on Instagram instead, hey, go over to their Instagram page at Phazon Moving CO on Instagram, man. Give them a follow. Come check their page out. Come check their pictures out. And come see what they got to offer, man. These guys here, man, real good moving service, man. Great prices, man. Great customer service, you guys. So do me a huge favor, man. Go over there and show them some love, man. And like I say, man, mention my name, Scatyblk, and they gonna give you 5% off, man. Let's go.
video, man. Today I got my dog with me, man. Man, that boy, man, from NO, man. You know what I'm saying? He riding with me today. He finna check out some of these cars, man. Trying to get him to join this Mopar gang. You know what I'm saying?
Chevy banging on bang over here, man.
Oh,
Sorry, man.
So yeah, we finna get in there, man. Hey, but make sure y'all watch this whole video, man. I appreciate y'all, man. Keep rocking with your boy. Let's keep going up, man. Let go. Woo! So yeah, y'all see, man. We done pulled up. We got the whole gang behind us, man. Y'all see the gang, man. Y'all see your boy. Yeah, we got it out. Yeah, we good. Come on, man. Come on, man. The forest still on. We done pulled up. When we pull up, we pulling up. So if y'all want us to pull up, we coming.
Well, money bag the pull-up king. You know me, man. Winter, summer, fall, or spring. I'm in that thing. Make sure y'all follow me on Royalty on 24. We're going up on 2020, baby.
Come on, man. Yeah, we out here, man. Everybody out here. Y'all gonna see all your favorite YouTubers and all that out here, man. So make sure y'all stay tuned, man. Like the video. Subscribe. Hey, man, so we out here at the meet, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. Hey, this thing is packed, man. It's lit out here, man. They got a whole lot of copyright on here, man. So I don't know how much of the video gonna be without sound, and it might just be some music. But y'all go subscribe, man. Subscribe to me, Scatyblk. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe to Lil Bro, man.
Subscribe to the channel, man. Subscribe to him before you subscribe to me, man. We're going up all 2020, man.
Come on, man. Yeah, we out here. Hey, then hold on. On the channel, brother. Come on, man. Y'all see he got his camera in his hand, man. Come on, man. What's up?
Oh, man, you
Talk
know
to
what
the
it
people,
is.
man.
Hold up. We both recording like a motherfucker.
Come on now.
It's your boy Turbo 504, that Too Legit Life, man.
Yeah.
Please go ahead and subscribe, like, comment. Go ahead and subscribe to my boy Scatyblk817.
Come on, now. Yeah, come on. Say that again. I like that. Say that again. Hold on one time.
Scatyblk817.
Oh, come on now. Yeah.
That's how we do it out here. You heard me?
Yeah.
Dirty South, man. That's,
Come on, man.
That's how it is. That's what it will be. And you know what I'm saying? It's a Cajun thing. Y'all wouldn't understand.
Look, we done pulled up. We got Jeep Girl Unlimited. Y'all see it. Come on, man. Y'all see how she coming, man. Hey, look. Hey, make sure y'all subscribe, man. Come on, get on over here, man. Come on over here, man. Y'all see.
Don't
Come on
be shy now.
Come on now. Come on over here now. Cause we finna get you.
You know I don't
Yeah.
like the camera.
Come on now.
Then why you
Well,
on
y'all make
YouTube?
sure y'all like, follow, subscribe.
Yeah.
Make sure y'all watch the channel. Y'all know what it is.
Yeah.
Jeep Girl Unlimited in this thing.
Come on.
We're going up on 2020.
Yeah, y'all see how she coming, man. Come on now. Yeah, come on, man. What's up, man? Shout out for me one time, man.
_2.0.
Not only they got the big Jeep, we got the little Jeep. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah. Come on, man. Little Jeep's winning, man. You know what I'm talking about?
That's a
Oh.